Ever held a seashell to your ear and heard the ocean? Why do seashells sound like the sea? Spoiler: you are not hearing the actual ocean. What you are really hearing is ambient noise, air around you, even your blood flow, echoing inside the shell. It is all about resonance. The curved shape of the shell amplifies and distorts these sounds, just like a natural speaker. In fact, try this with a cup or even your hand. You will hear it too. It is not magic, it is physics. So next time you hear the sea in a shell, know it is the world around you singing back. Now you know what the shell is really saying. Follow for more mini mysteries.